Here's a updated version of my tools. I'll try to go through everything. This top box is just miscellaneous stuff. Stuff I don't use a lot. My snack drawer. Extra wrenches. Some extra sockets. Miscellaneous tap and dies. Some chemicals, glue, an extra flashlight. Cold weld, dielectric grease, test leads. I need to get those out and put those in the proper place. And I'll go through all my sockets. I started off as a automotive technician. Got my metric on this side. Half inch, 3/8, 1/4. Ratchets, extensions. Got 3/4 inch. Box is 73 inches long. I think it's almost 3 feet in depth. I have just a little bit of everything: Stanley, Craftsman, Blue Point.
Oh, here it is. I was thinking